It's true that people are born with skill sets which further determine their talents. But if there's one thing that beats talent, it's hard work. And therefore, it's the second stop on our journey to sharper. History is witness to the fact that hard work pays off more than anything else out there. By sprinkling the essence of hard work in our classroom schedules, we ignite academic rigor in every child. Our inter-school competitions such as Language Quest, Tech Quest, Junior Einstein, etc. are meant to keep the students on their toes, and by training the students for various external exams, we hone their sharp minds and train them for excellence. But students can't be motivated unless the ones teaching them are. And therefore, a lot of importance is given to our teacher training programs. That's all for today. Keep watching this space to know about the next stop on our journey to sharper. See you next time.